Okay, IKEA Kitchen, Axstad pantries with the sliding drawers or shelves. If this ever happens to you, like it happened to me, you haven't done anything wrong. So if you build your pantries and you follow the instructions and you build your drawers and you install them, then you go to slide them out, you have not done anything wrong. And don't waste your time adjusting the drawers. The drawers adjust from side to side. These doors adjust from in and out. If this happens to you, the issue is that IKEA provided you the wrong hinges. These are called the 110-degree hinges. And what you need for this application is the 155-degree. I racked my brain for a bit. I did some research. There's even a poor guy online who went and he took his drawers out and he sliced them down on his table saw. And I'm not going to lie, I was thinking that too. But even if you did, the metal frame is so close that it will still hit the edge of this. So, crisis averted. They made a mistake and they gave you the wrong hinges. You need the 155 and not the 110. I hope this helps someone.